Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Recently, two people complain we are using fast and new Facebook user, and we have created different types of video and upload to my Facebook page. But one problem face microphone access issue. When Facebook page Reels option and click Reels option and open the Reels option, then video showing me and front side me and backside another palace. But any sound not capture on video. Microphone not access my Facebook reels. If you want microphone access your Facebook page, then this video watching hopefully your problem is solved. Now first your mobile phone display and click this icon, click this icon and this interface showing your mobile phone display. Now scroll down and click the apps option and this interface showing your mobile phone display. Now scroll down and when get apps icon, Facebook icon, and then click this option at this interface showing your mobile phone display. Now permission option and click and this interface showing microphone. The click microphone option and not microphone access, then this option enable. Not enable your microphone access already crosses, then click this option and while using the apps option click. Already the option is active. Now reels video and capture the voice. Hopefully your problem is solved. Please do not forget subscribe.